Good morning, TCTC, and I'm your host, Pierre Arnold, and welcome back to another episode of TCTC Time. Just another reminder for juniors. Your school pictures will be taken on October 12th and October 14th, so make sure that those dates are marked in your calendars. The hotspot by the cafeteria is now officially open, so here's everything you need to know.
The hotspot is a place where all students can purchase items of their choice, like different foods, snacks, and school supplies.
The hotspot sells many items. We have a deli, which is right behind me, where we sell sandwiches. We have a bakery, which is to the right of me. We have nachos, cookies, and popcorn. We also sell many beverages that are mostly Coke products. And then we have chips, fruit snacks.
They even sell TCTC program shirts and merchandise.
They are $10 with tax included, and we accept cash, check, debit, or credit.
Various changes have taken place to make sure students will stay safe during their time at the hotspot.
Here at the hotspot, the social distancing guidelines that we are following are we only allow 10 students in the hotspot at a time. We have markers on the floor we ask students to stand on so they maintain the 6 feet of social distancing. And we have arrows on the floor as well, asking you to go in certain directions so that way we don't intercross.
The hotspot is open 10 through 12, so make sure to stop down during your lunch because the workers are more than willing to serve you.
I can't wait to stop down. Now here's a video explaining how to use Progress Book.
To access your grades, go to the Progress Book app. If you don't have Progress Book, you can download it from self-service. Sign in using your TCTC email account and password. Now that you're in Progress Book, here are some basics to navigating the app. Click on the Grades button. Here you will see your grades in all your classes. Click on one of your classes, then select the weight symbol. This is the grading scale which all your assignments will fall under. If we go back to your class, you will see if your assignments are turned in, missing, and then the grade you got on them. If you click on class information, it will show you your teacher's name, as well as their email and room number. And lastly, you can check your fees by hitting the fee button.
Progress Book is a great way to stay up to date on all of your classes, so make sure you're aware of all your grades. Next, we interview guidance counselor Mrs. Lynn to talk about coping with stress during this very unpredictable school year.
Let's face it, quarantine has made a lot of people go crazy. Nobody expected to be completely alone for 5 months straight. Feeling like you have nobody to talk to can take a very big toll on your emotional well-being. Guidance counselor Mrs. Len talks more about how quarantine has affected students' mental health.
So life could be challenging to begin with, but put in a quarantine, social distancing, all that, and it could really make people feel overwhelmed. I think the important thing to remember is that physical distancing doesn't mean that we socially isolate ourselves.
People who are depressed and anxious tend to believe that they're alone and will isolate themselves. Miss Len wants to stress to all students that that's far from the truth.
You've got to tell somebody what you're feeling. And I would hope that anyone in the school building would, feel comfortable talking to their school counselor, talk to your teacher, talk to your parents. It's okay to talk about it, but that's really, really important.
Some tips Mrs. Len talks about is to stay on the same daily routine even on remote days. Talk to people you're close to and do what you love to do. The more you connect with others and do what's best for you, the better it will be for all of us in the end.
Even if we are wearing masks and we're 6 feet apart, we can still be part of something together. So there's no shame in reaching out for help.
It is very true that life can be overwhelming sometimes, so it's important to know that you are not alone. So here's a quick message from a senior in the Interactive Multimedia program about reaching out for help.
Hi, my name is Chase Sliber, and my program is Interactive Multimedia. September was Suicide Awareness Month. As a friend who lost somebody from suicide, I'm here to help others and help people learn a little bit more about mental illness. According to World Health Organization, on average, 132 Americans pass away from suicide. 90% of people who have passed away from suicide had some form of mental illness, and 10.3% of Americans have thought about suicide. If you are depressed or do have suicidal thoughts, you can see your guidance counselor. Call 1-800-273 8255 or text HOME to 741-741. And remember, you're not alone in this battle.
If you do need someone to talk to, you can always contact your guidance counselor through the Guidance Appointment app. All you have to do is type in your name, select your school, grade, and TCTC program. Then you can select when you have to see them, your numbers so they can reach you from home, and explain what you have to do doing during your assignments. Anything else you'd like to add, you can be explained in the last 3 questions. Well, that's all for today's episode. As always, I'm your host, Pierre Arnold, and have a great day.
On the next episode of TCTC Time, tune in as Mr. Fowdy gives some tips and tricks for your school devices, as well as an announcement about the winners of the Student Production Award. And then finally, we'll be showing you tips and tricks on how to properly use Google Classroom.